In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the motor housing cap on a Porter Cable 690 router. The motor housing cap mounts to the top of your router's motor. It allows cooling air to enter the motor, but at the same time protects the motor's electrical wiring. The cap would need to be replaced because it's been broken. Replacing the cap is easy to do, and I'm going to show you how. Motor housing caps, as well as many other parts, can be found on our website. Let's get started. The motor cover is secured with 2 screws. To replace the cover, I'll go ahead and remove those screws. Now install our new cover. I'll make sure that I have the switch location and the locations for the brushes all lined up. There's also an opening for the cord. So once I have all that aligned, I'll make sure all the wires are tucked in. Especially in this area, I want to make sure that I don't pinch these wires as I put the cover back on. That looks good, and I'll secure the cover with the screws.